Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wonderful to have you here, and it is Tuesday, March the 5th. We've got some exciting stuff this week. We've got a lot of stuff coming up. I yesterday spoke to entrepreneur, investing and entrepreneurship, Robert. He's a YouTuber. He's very passionate and excited about Nicola. He's also very passionate about helping people in business as well. That's an interview coming up soon. I spoke to him yesterday, had our informal chat. If you wanted to, you could have listened in to that private chat, which he didn't mind me sharing on the extra channel. I had that running there before. In between our events, so you could always check in. I always check with my guests if they're okay with that, and he was, so you could have heard that. That's coming up later. I'm just waiting for a date from him. Also, Kevin B, it's Kevin B in the chat. You're going to like this. Kevin B, I was speaking to Asti yesterday. Thanks to you. You contacted them. You reached out using all the tools that we have. And they want to be on the show. The CEO wants to be on the show. And I sent them an email to speak to me on Monday. They wasn't able to get in on Monday, but hopefully they'll be speaking to me today or tomorrow. So I need to keep my eye on my email. So with that in mind, I'm just going to go and bring up my email client, make sure they haven't called me already this morning. So they're going to be on the show. Oh, I've got some emails already. Let me just check what they are. Obviously, I get the emails to, Martyn Lucas Investor is online. The extra channels online as well. Okay. Let's... Don't need that. The usual spam in the morning, of course. What else have I got? No, I haven't got anything just yet. Let me just move these to do. So if I do see anything come in the morning, I'll be able to respond to it straight away. Just bear with me. Always get the usual spam in the morning as well, which I block. If it's rubbish, I just block it. The amount of phone numbers that are now useless to the world is incredible. Just think about all the times you block a number. Those numbers are useless if anyone takes over those numbers. So I'm going to leave my email client open. So if I do get an email back from Ascent Solar Technologies, a really exciting company, I'll be speaking to them, hopefully arranging an interview with them today. Also, on top of that, there's so much. There are so many things to put on the show. They just, are in a queue at the moment. We also have on Friday, you're going to love this, Flux Power CEO. Ron is on the show. Great. It's a lithium battery that is connected to the internet, Wi-Fi. So you can see what the battery's doing. You can charge it over Wi-Fi. You can check. You can reroute the power. Really exciting stuff. One of those great potential stocks we could look at. But anyway, that's coming up as well. That's actually happening on Friday. That's going to be a live interview in our show. So that's Ron, the CEO of Flux Power, live on our show on Friday. I'll be doing some information about that. Let me just check the time because I want to... where are we? Yes, 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock on Friday. So I'm going to announce, I'm going to do a video for that shortly. I've also today got some reviews to do as well. So without further ado, let's go through the comments this morning and see what we've got. And so we've got some 1 month. Kevin B, your badge just turned 1 month today. Have you seen that? Wasn't you a star yesterday, a green star? Maybe I'm wrong. But Kevin B, you got your 1 month now. You're no longer a new member. Jason Davis is in. He's got his green his member badge. We got some 2 months. We got Eric B 6 months. Do you know, Eric? I thought you were a member for longer than that. You must let it sort of die in between, perhaps. I don't know. Because remember, once you get Ed Nevius has got his 1 year. I'm hoping to hear from Ed Nevius this morning. I think he might call in. He's got something he wants to poll the audience about. And it's very technical. I didn't understand it. So I'm going to have Ed Nevius phone in a short while, if that's convenient with him. But Ed, you probably got like 1 month, 1 year and 11 months. I mean, you're probably very close to a 2 year. Once you hit 2 year, you have access, or you can request to join our exclusive club where we do one-on-one meets and everything. Very exclusive. The founder members or anyone over 2 years. Okay, Wadey, good morning to you. Hi, Henrik, good morning. Sadhu needs to post an update. Sadhu, last night, of course. Sadhu, let me just look at Fisker, just bouncing around a minute. Yeah, Sadhu, last night was launched on SpaceX. I've not heard anything bad, but of course, the stock is still massively down. Look at it at the moment. Still down 6% pre-market. But we had the pop on the news, it was going to fly, which we knew anyway. It sold off. It's going sideways and further down now at the moment, down 6%. I guess it's all about whether it comes out of the giant Pez machine, otherwise known as SpaceX, and then we'll get the news and, I would expect the stock to go up once we deploy. I don't see any reason why we wouldn't. To be perfectly honest, I'm sure it's going to go well. Anyway, now then, just to let you know, I've got to test this now. It's my new button. Let's see if it works. Yes. So if you have a 2-year YouTube member badge, you can request to join our exclusive club. It's completely free. Very, very special perks. Let me just check this. I added a new button this morning. Yep, that works. Excellent stuff. Good. I wanted to see if that works. I also added Instagram button as well this morning. I want to see if that works. Does it work? That's our Instagram. If you want the latest posts from me, latest updates, you can. And there is Instagram. All right, it works. Excellent. I wanted to make sure that both of those actually worked this morning. All right. Good morning, everyone, says Eric B. Good morning to you, Eric. Kevin B. Morning. Martini Racer. Here he is. I believe Martini Racer sold out of Sidhu. He sold his position, if I'm correct in saying that. So he says, what's your thoughts on MNTS? I was asked to do a earnings report this morning, but then as far as I'm concerned, they're not reporting this morning. It's making moves today. I bought a small position for fun. Look, I was requested yesterday. I was given a super chat to cover MNTS, Momentus, another space stock. It is bouncing all over the place. We've had a lot of volatility recently, but it's expected on March the 12th. There's no event posted yet. So yeah, the stock is moving. It's currently a loss stock. If we look at the MNTS, just bear with me a second. I've just got to check some information. Martini Racer has been a member now for 2 months. You've got your 2-month badge there, Martini Racer. Mike's here, king of the channel, with his 2-year badge. He's now a member of the exclusive club, very exclusive club. And let's have a look. MNTS, Momentus. Let's have a look. Now then, we've got an undervaluation of 97%, but we do only have DCF valuation. It doesn't use DCF, so it's an unreliable valuation. However, look at the revenue. Look at the revenue, up 11% and expected to virtually become an S-curve. Operating income is up 8%. Net income is up 7%. Free cash flow, the king of it all, is up 17%. Capital expenditure has down this report, but generally trending spending less, which is good. Operating cash flow up 17%. The balance sheet 33 million, of which 9 million is cash, so that's good. But they have a lot of liabilities, but long-term debt they have none. No short or long-term debt, just ongoing expenses. So which is expected, but no long-term debts. The balance sheet is good. The margins are good, 76% gross margin. Everything else needs some work, but we've got a profitability score of 31 and a solvency score of 35. So it's not going bust, got a bit of cash. We've got great Wall Street analysis, up 436%, 425%. Great opportunity, Momentus. We got inside trading, selling unfortunately, but only a tiny bit of short interest. So it's looking quite good. That was just a brief look for you, Martini Racers, one of our members. It looks quite good. It looks quite good. We need to review it after the earnings, which should be in a few days' time. I would expect that to be the way to go. Morning, Martin. There's a special stakeholder meeting for Fisker at 10 a.m. Are you going to stream it? There's a special stakeholder meeting, Fisker at 10 a.m. Central Time. F. Caban, are you one of my members? Let me have a look. No. If you're one of my members, you can request special events like that. Consider becoming a member, and you might get some benefits like that. I'm excited for ASTI. Yeah, me too. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Mina McCall. Sidhu, how do you do? Stock market is red today. Momentus. Sidhu. It's early, might be something at 3 hours. They're pretty responsive. It's early. Yes. I replied to them last night. I'm sure they'll reply to me. Hi, Martin. Do you know what's going on with NYCB? No, I don't. I don't know what's going on with NYCB. I've not looked at it this morning. Ramesh, good morning to you. Morning, Jason Davis. Hi, Martina. Did you get your $9 to do? I think he sold it, yes. I'm excited for Flux as well. I know. I'm still holding to do at 11:09. Good morning, Ed Nevius. David Warnes, good morning. Sadu, good morning, XRP. Martin, sorry, can I change my review to Big Bear AI? Yes, of course you can. Of course you can. I'll change it right now. You want BBAI, which is Big Bear AI. Okay. Yeah, no problem at all. LLLP up today, reference 15 million order. Luna, let's have a quick look. LLLP. Oh, no, it's not Luna, but this is something else. This is Terran Orbital, beg your pardon. Yes, up today, 6.7%. David Warnes, thank you for bringing that to my attention. Appreciate it. Martini, what do you have to say about last week that it had gone to 9? Well, I think he took his profit. Good morning, everybody. Crag. Or can you take a poll, Big Bear or Planet Labs? I've changed it now, Kevin B. We won't do a poll now. I've changed it, so we're set with that one now. I'll change it back. Next is DDD to $10 within 2 weeks, says XRP. Go Crag, go fun. I can't sell until the money clears from the sale yesterday. See, on Robinhood you can do that, Mike. So are you using Robinhood? If you're not earning using Robinhood, folks, you should be using it because Robinhood you can buy and sell straight away. You don't have to wait for it to clear. And who wants some free stocks? I haven't done this for a while. Who wants some free stocks? So invite a friend and get $5 to $200 stock. Each of us get some stock. Anybody want it? It's free stocks, free money. So share the link. Here we go. Copy, share link, copy. So I'll come out of there. I'll come back into the show, and I'll give you the link. I don't know why you wouldn't do it. It's free stocks. It's free money. We both get a little bit. There you go. There it is. Happy with that? Invite me, please. Of course, this is only the US. It's also the UK now, though, but not for the free shares. I don't believe. It might be. Anyway, there you go. Hope you all took advantage of that. It's free money. Why not? Free stocks all round. And one person, we did it once, won an Apple share. So they did very well. Okay, FSR and shareholders meeting this morning at 10 a.m. Central Time was mentioned here. Apparently, yes. If any of my members would like to send the link in links for YouTube, I can have a look at it and see if I can cover it. So you have to be a member of YouTube. And if you are, you've got access to Discord. If you don't have access, if you don't have the links to YouTube channel, it's because you're not a member, and I can upgrade you, and I do it live on a show. So there you go. All right. Now then, here's the extra channel. You want to make sure that you check out the extra channel. We are running like nearly 24 hours a day on the extra channel. It allows everyone to talk who aren't members, who behind the scenes, you see me setting up interviews with people. It's soon to go 360, so you want to take advantage of all those things that are running on the extras channel. It was, but I don't know if Martyn will stream it. Well, send me the link and I'll look at it and see if I can. If it's requested by a member, I'll try and do it. Can you please upgrade me on Discord, MLB? Yeah. So what you do is MLB. This is what we do. You need to go into Discord. Let me give you the Discord link. You're saying, can I upgrade you? MLB. Let me check first of all. You are a member. You've been a member now for 1 month. So I can upgrade you. What you need to do is to go to Discord. Here is Discord. And come in the welcome all. If you verified your email and waited 10 minutes, all that stuff, you can now come in. So here we go. Here is the welcome all. So ML, hi ML. You need Martyn Lucas, MLB. I think that's funny. You need to be in here. Okay, you need to come in here and say hello. I don't see you on Discord. Once I see you on Discord, I can upgrade your account, and you will be able to see all of the members' channels. Now, an important announcement about Discord. Every single thing I've ever done on this show has always been and always will be for the benefit of you, not me. If it's good for you as an investment, I'm investing in myself, it'll be good for me in the future. I might lose views. I might lose subscribers. I might lose people who watch if I do certain things for me. But it's better for you. I'm going to do things consistently on all my networks because we are now a network. We're a TV network now. We have multiple channels. We're everywhere. We are a TV network, right? I will do everything on my network which is best for you without any consideration or regard to what's best for me, okay? So one of the problems we have with Discord at the moment is we get a lot of scammers. We get a lot of people coming in pretending to be me, and they're not me. And you know they're not me because if I click on my profile, which you can do, you can see I've got the role of owner. I also have the correct spelling of my name. The scammers have Martyn Lucas with a dot or a Z or a 2 T's or whatever. I'm spelt correctly. However, I can ban them all day long, but it doesn't stop them messaging you directly. And how they get in the server is through the public channels. The public channels. All of these are private, members only, YouTube members. They don't get in through here. They get in through here. And I had some open public channels because I wanted to bring more people in. And I thought, you know, they'd all be nice. Well, of course, they're not. So I get more viewers having open channels because not everyone has to be a YouTube member to be on Discord. However, it ruins the experience for you because you are getting scammers and bots and friend requests and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all the public channels. I'm going to make it members only. So if you want to access crypto news, the breakfast bar, the chit chat, message people, Ed Nevis's tips, Mike's breakfast every morning. Why you'd want to know that, I don't know. But anyway, I am going to make it members only. I will get less viewers on my Discord, but honestly, I don't care. I want the best service for you. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut down the public channels and have it YouTube members only. So they can't get in. They can't message anybody. Of course, the ones that are already in will message you, but obviously slowly it will filter down and it will all be gone. So anyway, MLB. So MLB. Rallo 1, this is the FSR link. You can't send links on YouTube. You cannot send links on YouTube. That's why we have links for YouTube in Discord. You can send the link, but it won't be shown. All right? It doesn't get shown on YouTube. YouTube does not allow you to send links. All right? Only moderators can do that. And I don't even want the moderators to do it. So it won't work. Anyway, so MLB, please confirm this is you on YouTube. You have to confirm this is you on YouTube because someone could be pretending to be you. Okay, so reply. Please confirm this is you in YouTube chat. Okay, just confirm that. Please confirm this is you in YouTube chat, and I will upgrade you. You've got a nice welcome from Mike and Eric. Hi, Martin. Is that you? Just say, yes, that's you. Hello, Martin. This is MLB. Hello, Martin. I'm sure it is because you're saying hello, Martin. It must be you. So you are MLB, so we don't need to change your name. This is me on YouTube. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. We're going to give you a role of member. We're going to add you as a friend. You've got 1 minute to accept it because I don't want you refriending the wrong people. Add friend. You've got 1 minute, so please accept it. And I will give you role of YouTube member. I've done that. Add friend. So go and click on accept friend request. After about a minute, I will take it away. Okay. You can now see all of these channels. So I wonder if I can just edit this now and make all of these unpublic permissions, private channel, by making channel only, select members and roles. Okay, let me just turn that on. And so I can do that now. I just went save permissions. It's a private channel. Let's see if that works. So let's see if I can drag that to there. Cancel. Turn on show all channels your server meant you can reorder channels with this enabled. Trying to reorder channels. Take me there. Oh, so you can't do it. You can't do it. Oh. Turn on all channels. I'll do it later. I'll do it later, but I will set this up so all these are private. Yeah. I'll do it later. I want to get that sorted out. I don't want any more of this flipping scammers coming in. Right. Hey, Mike, let's go for fun. Thanks, Martin. You're very welcome. My pleasure. Thank you for being a member. Martini, I'm with you on Momentus. Got today as well. That's the FSR stream. You can't send it. If it's in links for YouTube, I'll have a look. Let's have a look. FSR. Virtual Rallo1 has sent it in. Okay, you've sent it in. Now, this is what you sent in. That's 10 a.m. our time. So, okay, we have a Fisker stockholder meeting. Okay, okay. I'll tell you what we'll do. You've put it up here. Let's run a poll. Let's see if you'd like me to cover it. All right, let's see if my members would like me to cover it, please. Okay, at 10 a.m. Central. FSR. So we'll have a little poll. See how popular it is. FSR. Would you like me to broadcast the Fisker what do they call it? Stockholder meeting. Okay. Fisker stockholder. Is that one word, stockholder, or two? That's one word, thought so. Stockholder meeting. Okay. Please vote in X poll. All right. Okay. So FSR, Fisker, and Martyn Lucas Investor. I'll do it if we get an overwhelming majority. I will stay on late and do it for you. Would you like me to broadcast the Fisker stockholder meeting? There you go. Yes, please. We got. Oh, Vincent wants it. We got some positive vibes coming in to cover it. Looks like it. Look at that. So let's run a poll. Yes. There doesn't need to be a yes, no, or undecided, does there? You just want it or you don't. And it's 2 hours. It's a 2-hour poll. There we go. If so, I will set up an event for it, and we'll get the community. We'll get the whole Fisker community in. Yes, no, not 2 days. What am I doing? I meant 2 hours. 2 hours. There you go. So there is the poll. Let me put that everywhere. So what I'm going to do is copy that. Copy that. Let me jump into StockTwits. This is where I've got a very lively army. Okay. Copy that. Copy the link. And there you go. Copy that. Post. I'll give you all the links in a minute so you can react to this and share it and get everybody involved. Put it out on.
Yes, please cover the FSR stockholder meeting.
You are welcome. Well, if we get a good response to it, I will. I kind of need to now a little bit because you give me a super chat. So I might be sort of persuaded to do it anyway. Okay. No need to put that on Instagram. Not great with links. Okay, let's make sure that we've got it on StockTwits. Now then, if you want to engage in these posts, let me give you, here is StockTwits first of all. If you want to engage in that post, this is the stock market of Twitter. You might want to engage in that. Okay, it's already got 2 likes. People are already sharing it, which is nice already. Maximilian's already on it. He's on the case. Oh, hello, we got more likes. That was quick. 3 likes, flipping it. You're not messing around, are you? And then there's the X post as well. If you want to comment on the X post, there is the X post link for you. And if you want to comment and share on the Facebook post, I will give that to you as well. There you go. 7 votes, 100%. Flipping heck. You obviously want this to happen. Right. So I've given everybody the links this morning, so you can go and post. Soundhound is down 5.5% to $5.31. Latest news just out. Okay, here we go. Let's come back to our main account. We've got half an hour to go. I'm not sure what that means. Morning all, by the way. Good morning. I'm a member and need help with NXU. Review, please. Nasha Sidat. Nasha, let me see. Can you respond again? I didn't see your comment, Nasha. Oh, you are a member. Yes, you're a new member. You've got a green badge. That means you're brand new. You're a brand new member. I am taking reviews again. One of the perks as a member is you get free reviews. However, the list is too long. I'm not taking any free reviews at the moment, but I have opened up the super chat one now. If you want to jump the list, so you are entitled to a review now, and a super chat will put you at the top of the list. Or you can wait until I've done all the super chat ones, and then I will do it as a free one. But at the moment, I'm not taking any free ones because there are too many super chat ones. Okay. So if you want to do a super chat, if you do above $10, it will be done this morning. If you do it below $10 or below $5, it will be done during the week. So that's up to you. Okay. Invite me, please. I invited you for the free stocks. Yes. I'm a member and need help. I've just answered that. This is the FSR meeting. I've posted it now. I use my Robinhood spend card every day. It's my bank. Eric B., I was looking at Robinhood this morning about that very thing. I think the credit card, when they bring it out, is going to be better. But I was looking at it. I turned it all on. What I want to know is, Eric, first of all, when they do what's called, I wonder if I can share it on the screen without giving away my details. Cash card offers. Not that one. The roundups. Yeah, here it is. They do roundups. So if you spend $4.01, they will round up to $5 and put it in stocks or put it in your cash to earn percent, to earn uninvested cash, right? So that's great. But Eric, what I want to know is that just your money they're taking? So they're charging you. So in other words, your $4 bill was actually $5. It's your cash. All right. It's your cash. So it's not really it's not really free money. Or is it their money? Because if it's their money, that's great. Spend $4.01 and they give you 99 cents, round up. That's great. Absolutely brilliant. I totally agree. You should use it. I want to know that. And it doesn't say that. It just says round up. And I'm assuming the change is your own money. I'm assuming. Now, the other thing was the cashback, the 2%. I get 2% and 3% on my Bank of America card right now on all transactions. This is only on groceries and gas. Well, I don't have any gas expenses. I don't drive anywhere. So I don't know if that's going to work for me. I think Bank of America is better for me because of the 3%. I think the credit card deal's better. But mostly what I want to know is the roundups. When you spend money on your debit card, because it is a debit card, remember, on Robinhood, do they give you the cash back, the roundup, or is it your money? They're just charging you more. So I want to know the answer to that, because I'm going to test it. I'm going to find out, but it'd be great if you could let me know. Anyway. Booch, I sent the link. Yeah, we've shared it already. Good morning, Shannon Miller. Robinhood, you have to wait 2 days after sell of a stock before you can reinvest your money. Robinhood, no, you don't, Fight Channel. If you are a gold member or above 25,000, you don't. Okay? You don't. So I just want to be absolutely clear, you don't. I can sell shares. I have money available straight away. As long as you have a gold member, and I think you are 25,000. Why Sadu is down after successful mission? Sadu, well, the reason for that is because it hasn't done anything yet, hasn't earned any money yet. It hasn't made any money yet. And it's how them, and you know, there's not much to report on it at the moment. Can I ask a short review and comment on as a member? Murad, yes, you can. Let's have a look. Murad. I wish it showed me the member. There you are. Member, you've been a member for 1 month. Yes, you can have a free review. Unfortunately, I'm not taking any free reviews at the moment because the list is so long. But if you do a super chat, then it'll be done this week. Yes. To-do goes to 4.5 cents. Don't worry. That I know. Hi, Martin. This is me on YouTube chat. Yeah, we done that. Fight Channel. Yes, on a cash account. Yes. See, I'm on a margin account. If you're on a cash account, there are restrictions. FSR will do very well by the end of the week. FSR, let's go back to it just a moment. FSR, Fisker. No, Eric, all accounts because it happens on my accounts. Well, it doesn't happen with me. Maybe because you're not gold, or maybe the 25,000. I can tell you for a fact that I can sell shares and have the money straight away on my account. When I transfer money into my account, I have it straight away. It's instant. Okay, it's instant. And I think that's because I'm gold, or it's because you know, I've got a certain number, a certain balance. I'm a member. I need help with NXU review, please. Nasha Sidat. Yes, I see you're a member. But as I say, I'm not taking any free reviews at the moment. Vincent Vosberg gave me a super chat. He wants to see the review, the meeting. Papa Basak. I don't think Papu Basak is a member of my channel. I can't focus. No, Papa Bazak is not a member of my channel. Sorry, I can't focus. I know you're sending a lot of messages, but we are. I might have to go to members only in a minute if it gets too busy. In fact, it is too busy now. I'm missing some of the members' comments. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to members only. If you're not a member and you still want to get your say, you still can. Because I want to focus on the members, okay? We do have an extra channel which runs all day behind the scenes. You can hear what I'm saying right now. You can listen into what I'm saying. This is behind the scenes, and this does not have any member restriction or chat restriction or whatever. Here is the extra channel. So if you're a non-member and you want to get your say, and you can, and it's on the extra channel. You can listen in, you can have your say, you can talk to members, talk to people, and that's how we filter it, so you can still have your say. And that runs 24 hours a day, just nearly. Jojo S, good morning. Can we cover the ticker WVE sometime? Of course we can. I don't know if you are a member of our channel. If you are, you can order a review. You can order an earnings report. All kinds of things you can have done. I don't know if you're a member of the channel. Come back to me and request it, and you can. We are in members only mode now. Good morning, Todd Bailey. Good morning, Momo. Andrew Phillips. Good morning. Good morning. I've said the NXU review. You are a member, and I will do it for you, but it's a super chat at the moment. There are no free ones available at the moment. I don't see where to vote on the poll. You want to vote on the poll? It's on X. Here is my X account. You can't see it. It's right at the top. Here is my X account. I've put the link in the chat for you. If you scroll down, there is the poll right there at the top. I've given you the link to X. Okay. Now then, Fisker is rallying. Hi, Martin. Will you broadcast Fisker meeting? When is it? Google Ads. We're running a poll about me broadcasting it on the channel right now. And if we get an overwhelming majority, which is looking like we are, I will be broadcasting it at 10 o'clock this morning. Look, there it is. There's the poll. You can go and vote on it. Fisker meeting. Okay. Sadhu. Faraday Futures. I've already answered all these questions. Can someone block this guy? He's not a member. No, there's no need to block him. He's asking a question, but I just can't focus on him as he's not a member. Yes, it's been only rounding up my money. Yes, it's been only rounding up my money. It says they match a small percent on my roundups, but I haven't seen it yet. Aha. Okay. So it basically just takes your money and rounds it up. Okay. Well, that's no good, is it? I mean, that's no point to that. I don't see any point to that. I can put my own cash in the account whenever I like. I don't see any point to that. But you've said it will. It says they match a small percent of my roundups, but I haven't seen it yet. I think the credit card is the way to go. Eric, we have to understand that a company doesn't make any money using your debit card. There are expenses to use a debit card without any perks back from the merchant. When a merchant uses a credit card, they pay a fee, so there is a bit of money there to work with. However, if you're using a debit card, there's only banking fees. There's no money to give away to rewards. So I think the X1 credit card they've got coming out is the way forward. I don't think the debit card is much good, to be perfectly honest. It's just a way in. It's handy having the card so you can use your brokerage money. Should you have money in stocks and you sell your stocks and you just want to go out and just spend the money, then great. But I don't think it's great to use as a reward. I think there are better cards, and I think the credit card, though, will be better. Tesla down again today. Yes, 182. After the fire at a substation causes halt in production at the Giga Berlin. Thanks for that, mate. Hey, Martin, can you cover the incredible related news Momentus NASA announced yesterday? Sea Lover. I think it was Sea Lover who asked me to do the Momentus earnings today. Was it you? Because there is no earnings today. I wanted to make sure that you realized there was and there is no earnings today. It's expected March 12th, but there is no date. I've reached out to the company. There is no date. Martin, can you cover the incredible news related to Momentus? NASA announced yesterday a contract. Sea Lover. Yes, if you send it in on links for YouTube, I will cover it. That's where all my members send in information to be on the show. As we just had the shareholder meeting for Fisker sent into the show. This was sent in, and now we're running a poll whether we should cover this shareholder stockholder meeting. So that's what we'll do. No, Martin, I'm a gold member and I have over 25,000 in my account, and I still have to wait to sell for myself to settle on Robinhood. There must be something, Fight Channel, because I don't have that restriction. You may have been marked as a pattern day trader. You may have a cash account, not a margin account. You said you have 25,000 and you're a gold member. Well, I can tell you that I don't have that restriction. So maybe you should speak to them. FSR Nicholas should team up with the biggest Cinderella story. Kevin B. I'm trying to see what a super chat. I'm trying to see where to do a super chat, but I'm not sure how. Okay, this is how you do it. So underneath the chat, there is a $sign there, look, and you do a super chat. There you go. That's how you do it. Membership gifting, super chat, super sticker. Any of the super chats or super stickers is fine. Whichever one, whatever you want to do, that works fine. I hope that helps. Hi all, Polo. Good morning. Good morning to you. Are we flying your country, Polo? A new member. What is your native language, and are we flying the country for your flag? Are we flying the flag for your country? That's what I meant to say. Anyway, I don't know if I have an upgrade on Discord. I don't want to be lost to the member-only changes. Shannon Miller. So, here we go. This is how you do it, Shannon Miller. Come into welcome all, and I'll upgrade you. So, Shannon Miller, go into Discord now and say hello. I'll give you the Discord link, which you probably already have, but there's the Discord link. All right, go into Discord. The welcome all channel is where you will come and go, hi, Shannon. Whoops. Well, you don't have to go, hi, Shannon. I'm going, hi, Shannon. You just got to go, hello. All right, and I'll upgrade you. So, Shannon, if you've not signed up before or not been, you've not verified your email, it will take 10 minutes if you've not used it before. But once you have, you can come in there and I can upgrade your account. I'll do that live on the show. I only do it live on the show. To super chat is next to the typing section. There you go, Kevin B. Little late to the party. Are you covering charge point earnings today? Mark Saxby. Let's have a look. Charge point. Are you a member? Yes. Member now for 2 months. Charge point. Would anyone like me to cover charge point today? When is the earnings? The earnings is after hours today. If one of my members would like me to cover that, super chats it, I will do it. It's after hours today. But if anyone, any of my members would like me to cover it, if you super chat me, I'll cover it. I can do it. It's after hours tonight. So yeah, if I get some interest in it, then the answer is yes, I can cover it. With a super chat, I will cover it. It's a member's perk. You can request that if you want. Hood credit card will be better, yes, but the spend card allowed me to sell crypto and use it instantly. Now that makes sense. My native language is Polish. Do we have Poland? I think we fly the flag for Poland. Let me have a look. Yes, we do. So this is for you, for our guest here from Poland. I don't see Shannon yet. English. Welcome, Polo, to the show and all guests and friends in Poland. I have visited Poland several times. Krakow is a wonderful city and lovely people with a great culture. Thank you for being here. Let me put that out in Polish.
Witam Polo na koncercie oraz wszystkich gości i przyjaciół w Polsce. Odwiedziłem Polskę kilka razy. Kraków to wspaniałe miasto i cudowni ludzie ze wspaniałą kulturą. Dziękuję, że tu jesteś.
There you go. Jason says, I don't know why I don't see it on my phone. The only reason why you would not see it on your phone is either you have a restricted Google account, or you are set for children, or you have a family account set for children, or you've never set up a credit card on your account or something like that. That would be the only reason, or you're unverified, or you're not. Well, hang on a minute, Jason. You're a member. So because you're a member, you are verified, you do have an account. It may be because you are marked for children. Your YouTube account is marked for children. Maybe you have a family account and you decided to turn on for kids. It's called for kids. In other words, there's no, it's restricted. So your child picks up your phone and they can use your phone and all that stuff. It may be to do with that. Polo. Now, as a member of our channel, if you can visit the Tesla factory, you could call in live and be on the show. That would be great. Hey, Martin, as far as ASTI stock goes, someone asked about its getting delisted. I was curious if you could see any information on on that when you can. Well, I'll speak to ASTI and we shall see. Yes, you're right. I have kids who like to spend money. There you go. Hi, Martin. Hope you're well. Just wanted to ask, did you get the chance to do Global Star ticker? Ahmed, no rush whenever you get chance. Global Star. No, it's top of the list to do. It's my next review. It's being done this morning. It's my next review, Ahmed. Okay. Now then, did I get Shannon? Let us know in the YouTube. Thank you, Eric, for doing what you're doing. That's one less job for me. I appreciate that very much. Thank you, Eric B, for replying back to Shannon. I appreciate that. Right. So coming up today, we've got the bell in just 8 minutes time. Let me just check the poll. We are going to cover this special event now for Fisker. Yes, we are going to cover it. So what we're going to do is we will cover the Fisker event today. And I will make a promotional video for it shortly during this broadcast, end the stream, upload it, and we will put that out. Yes, we will cover the Fisker stockholder meeting today. All right, and we might be doing charge point if we get a super chat for it for the after hours. I'm not familiar with Discord, but I'm there. Let's have a look. Shannon, you come into welcome all and you say hi here. That link I've given you brings you to welcome all. You might not be able to comment for 10 minutes if you've not set it up before, because our Discord has a wait time the first time you do it. You've also got to verify your email. It's so we don't have scammers and bots, and we still get a few. So that's the purpose of it. All right. It might take 10 minutes, but all you got to do is after 10 minutes, if you've just registered, you can write in here, hello, and I can see you, I can upgrade you, I can sort you out. Okay. Don't worry. There's no rush. Take your time. Okay, so we've also got Ron from Flux Power live on the show on Friday. I've also got a YouTuber coming on the show, Robert from Investing and Entrepreneurship. I'm also in communication at the moment with ASTI, which is Ascent Solar Innovations to come on the show. I'm waiting for their email now. That's what I'm just checking now, and I can then tell you what's happening with that. Right. So let's get back to it. We've got to ring the bell in 5 minutes' time. Plus, we got reviews. Plus, we got the Fisker announcement. And we've also got the event on Friday. And we might have an event tonight for ChargePoint. All right. I don't see Shannon Miller in there just yet. Ahmed. Ahmed is over on the extra channel. Let me share with you. This is the extra channel, Ahmed. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to ask, did you get an opportunity to do Global Star yet? If not, no rush. I'm doing it today. Yes, doing it next. There you go. There's the extra channel. So you can be in both channels. There's a lot of benefits to the reason why we do that. Here's our Instagram link. That's new this morning. Rollo, all 5 of you, good morning. Good morning, our Rumble audience. How are you, Rollo Tomasi? Wonderful to have you. We've got one of my subscribers. Now, Rollo, I don't know if I've said to you before, but as a Rumble subscriber, that's like a member on YouTube, you can have all the perks and benefits like everyone can on YouTube. You can request an earnings. You can request a stock review because you are a subscriber, and that is the same as being a YouTube member. So yes, we've not had anyone do that yet. Let's have a look. Bill's just come in. Having unsubscribed from all channels and only 14 left as a member, and MSK's fundraiser being mixed because Martyn saw 2,000-foot home in mansion. Says my... Being nixed because Martyn says my 2,000... Comes back cursing as... Look after my daughter instead of buying drone... Look after my daughter instead of buying drones. I don't know what's going on with Bill at the moment. I'm going to have to... I think Bill's having some issues at the moment right now. As you can see, he's saying some pretty wild and crazy things in the chat. Bill has been a member of our channel for 2 years. He's a founder member. And because of that, he has free access to the exclusive founder members club. But for some reason, he's being quite offensive towards it and aggressive to. I think Bill has got perhaps some issues at the moment. Perhaps I don't know what's going on there. But Bill, you have access for free, whether you continue being a member or not. If you can't afford being a member, it doesn't matter. You've already earned the right to be in the exclusive club. I don't know what you're talking about, Bill. And as far as your fundraiser is concerned, it's very important to explain this. Bill has been a great member of our channel. He gave loads of super chats away. Clearly, he can't afford to do it. I said stop doing it, but he never stopped. Bill has got himself in some debt, and he keeps coming in the chat saying we should do a fundraiser for him. Bill is in debt because he's bought 13 drones, a $4,000 computer, which he doesn't need because he wanted a computer like mine. When I told him you don't need it, you can watch the show on a phone for free. And now he's got himself in debt and he wants to do a fundraiser. Well, I don't think the members want to do a fundraiser, Bill. You've put yourself in debt on purpose and you can get out of it. And I'm still giving you the perks and benefits for free, but you're not claiming them. So please, Bill, don't be nasty. We're giving you everything. You're just not taking it. Here we go. Time to ring the bell and see what's up and down. I'll come back to Bill in a minute. I do care, Bill, that you're getting it wrong this morning.
Seemingly perfect harmony until one day a young man catches fire.
Here we go.
This is Phoenix.
Stocks going up. Virgin Galactic is down this morning. $1.60. I believe it's going to $1.28. We have got Palantir moving up. Gold moving up. The S&P down 0.5% today. Amazon down. Apple being punished for its $2 billion fine. Next year energy is moving up. Enphase Energy is going down. Coca-Cola up. J&J up today, 161. Kenvue going down. Chevron going down. Tesla 182 could go down to $1.50. Sorry, 150. Rivian down. McDonald's going up. Google down. Microsoft down. Walmart up today. Tilray rubbish 167. Robinhood going down. IonQ down today $1.81. It's great, but it's too expensive. Rocket Lab going down. 431, a good buy on Rocket Lab. Plug Power completely destroyed by the Russian oligarchs. Ridiculous. Rumble up today. Funware 31% today. Incredible. Faraday 17 cents going bankrupt. Rio Tinto down. Bitcoin up near all-time highs again. Matic down 1.2. XRP up 0.18. What about Momentus today? Up 12.47. And let's check our FSR. We will be covering this later on in the show with a special event. Fisker is down 4% today, 42 cents. The shorters are winning the war once again. Heading down, heading down, heading down. 42 cents now. Overall, we are down 95% of the value of Fisker has gone, and we're still falling. Dear oh dear oh dear. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to the show. There is our update this morning. Who will win? Day trader of the day today. There we go. There's our review today. FSR is falling. Down, 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 down. Palantir, Gold, S&P, Amazon. Okay, there is the update this morning. Now then, obviously, as our channel has always been and always will be, it is here for the viewers and the members. And no one is more important to me than the founder members, those that joined at the beginning, those that have been members the entire time, those that have supported the show, those that watch every day. Those are my priority, and I make no excuses for that. So let me absolutely clarify what is going on here, because a lot of people are concerned and I want to address it. So just a moment now, I'm going to come off the stocks just for a minute or two and spend a moment talking to Bill. Bill, I appreciate your friendship. I appreciate your generosity, and I appreciate your time that you've spent with us over the last 3 years, consistently every day. And I appreciate your work as a war veteran too. Appreciate you as a human being and everything else. I can't thank you enough for everything that you've done for the channel. But we seem to have a confusion here. You are in the channel telling people that you're going broke and you have no money and so on and so forth. And we are all sympathetic and we are all sorry for that. We're all concerned for that. We're here for you. We're listening to you. This is the only channel in the world where you can talk to everybody every day and everyone's talking back and listening to you. We appreciate all of that and everyone's concerned for you. However, you've been very upset because you don't understand that I have given you for free your super perk, which is access to the Founders Club. You keep saying, but I can't afford to pay my bills. You don't need to pay your bills. It's free, Bill. You've already been a member for 2 years. You already qualify for it. It's free. Whether you pay to be a member tomorrow or next year or next month, it doesn't matter. It's free. All you've got to do is request membership to that club and you'll be in. And there'll be there'll be get-together meets. There'll be exclusive VIP benefits to you as a thank you to you for being a member for 2 years. Whether you're a member anymore, whether you pay super chats anymore, it doesn't matter. You've already earned it. So that answers that question. If you don't do it, you don't do it, but it's there for you for free. As far as being upset with me because we won't do a fundraiser for you, I gave you $1,500 of my own money on a gig. I was doing a gig where I get tips. And I said, tonight's tips are all going to my friend Bill. He's a war veteran. He needs to repair his electric chair, his electric mobility scooter. So rather than giving tips to me, they gave tips to me to give to you. And I gave you that cash. That was my money I gave to you. And I gave that to you and other members contributed to repair your mobility scooter and we got it fixed and everything else. That was great. We did that for you. We've supported charities all around the world. But we cannot do a fundraiser for on the show for you, Bill. We can't because you're not a charity. You're not a registered charity, even though I have given you money, even though we are here for you and people want to send you money directly, that's up to them. But I can't do a fundraiser for you, Bill, because you're not a charity. But also you yourself have said you've got in debt because you've spent money on things that you said you couldn't afford. So you said I can't see the chat on YouTube. I told you how to do it, and your answer was, "Well, I'm going to buy a Mac Studio like you." That's $4,000 computer. You don't need this computer that I have to be able to do that. And I told you not to do that. All you needed was a free laptop and the cheapest computer, the cheapest laptop in all the world. You don't need a $4,000 production studio computer. So you spent $4,000. You then went out and bought loads of drones, and we said stop buying drones. We then said stop giving us super chats, but you did all the super chats. So you've put yourself into debt, but you have also told me that you live in $1 million house. You've shared me pictures of your massive house, right? So you've put yourself in debt. So as much as I feel sorry for you and I'm here as your friend, we can't, and I'm giving you access to the service for free. I can't do a fundraiser for you because we have registered charities around the world that need our support. And I don't think the members would want to, as much as they might individually reach out to you. That's up to them. But I don't think we can do a fundraiser because we've got 18,000, nearly 19,000 people watching, and everyone's going to say, well, I've got some debt. I bought a new car and now I can't afford it. Can you give a fundraiser for me? I mean, Leah said to me last night, so if I go out and buy a load of new shoes, max my credit card out, can I come on the show and have a fundraiser? We can't do that, Bill. So I hope you can understand, but we can't do a fundraiser to give you money for you to go out and spend money on your credit card. We can't do that. What we can do, though, is listen to you, talk to you, support you, be your friend, encourage you to do the right thing. That's all I can do. I need to move on. This is, I can't spend the whole show talking directly to you, but the show is focused around the members. I will support anyone that needs help, but I have to now move on. I've given you 10 minutes of the show solely to you, Bill, to support you, to help you. I've given you all the perks without it costing you a single penny, but we cannot do a fundraiser. So please don't come in the chat, keep saying, nasty things. This morning, Bill, you sent me a message on X when I invited you to join the exclusive club where I am going to give you exclusive benefits for free. And you replied back, rubbish. I've just given you $1,500 of my own money, plus everything I do here. I can't do no more, Bill, but we cannot do a fundraiser for you. So please stop being upset with the viewers and me and everybody because we're now not doing a fundraiser. Okay? I hope that's fair. I'm here for everybody. Everyone has an issue, I will address them. Okay. Let me read back the comments. What did he just say? Because obviously it's a one-way conversation. Having unsubscribed from all channels. So you're unsubscribing from everything. Martyn says, my 2,000-foot home is a mansion. MSK comes back cursing and swearing. I don't know what MSK said to you. I can't be responsible for what MSK said or didn't say to you. I have no idea whether that happened or not. But it's not me, is it? My daughter, instead of buying drones, etc., I guess I'm one founding member, isn't worth the time. I just explained all of that. I'm sorry for being stupid and poor, but my life... with my life. Goodbye. See you in another life. See, now you're being rude. Good morning. I'm trying to get on Discord, but Clyde the robot says we do not share the same server, and my message is returned. If you click on this link to Discord, it'll bring you through the Discord. You have to verify your email. There it is. And then you'll have to leave a welcome all message, a message in welcome all. It's as long as you've got an email that's verified. If it's blocked and you've been scammed and whatever, then obviously you can't. Anyway, I'm going to try it tomorrow. I think it's because I'm using my cell phone. No, it works on your phone, but you can't. But you can let it go today. I'm off to work. Okay, no problem. Bill, don't leave, says Mike. Has Bill's accounts been hacked? No, this is the real Bill because he's got a 2-year badge. He does sometimes talk like this. He does. Bill, time heals everything. Don't take it to heart. I can't afford to get through next month. 7 drones. And you sold them. Did you sell them, Bill? Because you owned them yesterday. Yesterday on the show, you said you had drones. Now today you've sold all 7. Rocket Lab sure makes, in this mysterious way, I believe they just got a grant from NASA. But the SP is down. Randy B, send me links for YouTube. I'll cover it. Explain yourself more clearly, Bill. Good luck, everyone. Hi, all. Ed Nevius, was you going to call and explain your poll? I think FSR is squeezing today. Fisker, dropping through the roof, going through the floor at the moment. I don't have the money to pay my debts, and it's getting worse. I wish I wasn't so stupid, but I'm a giving person, even if I don't have it to make someone happy. You don't need to do super chats to make anyone happy. FSR is falling. Bucky, I'm broke, no more money. Virgin Galactic down. Let's look at Virgin Galactic quickly. Yeah, Virgin Galactic's going to 128, I think. Sidus is just going to be another stock today red every time, Jonas. If you had a bank account, I'd send you $150. Look at that. Buckaroonie wants to give you $150. Bill, flipping heck. 3D system up 7%, Raman. Now I almost have to believe that XRP. I did, but that wouldn't help me pay my credit card. Bloody hell, Bill. Someone has just offered you $150 and your answer is, that wouldn't help me pay off my credit cards. Flipping heck, Bill. If someone gave me $150, I would be extremely grateful and thankful for that. I gave that money to Zach and then some. Well, why did you do that? I gave you money to repair your electric scooter. To do is apparently being heavily sold. Selling the Mac. Sold the drones. Good. I just bought 3D Systems. My wife owns the house. I live like a boarder. Nothing between us since Jennifer was born. I'm sorry to hear that. Wow, Martin, that is very generous of you. Well, yeah. Momentus, volume over 14 million. Mike, can't always be right by chance. Astra Space, over average. Prayers to you, Bill. If negative comments keep coming back from Bill, block him permanently. No, Tim, I don't want to do that. I honestly think Bill has some, ups and downs, emotions. Remember, this is a family. We're a family. Some days we're up, some days we're down. Some days we're happy, some days we're not. I don't ban members. I don't ban members who supported the channel unless they get really offensive, of course. And I've done that. I had a member last week who was a member, and I blocked him because he was rude. And yes, if you are really rude and start swearing, then yes, you do get banned. There we go. See, it always comes round. This is why I didn't ban him, Tim. Sorry for being like this. I'm very stressed, and I appreciate your help. There you go. This is why we need to talk to people. People on YouTube do not realize these are real people at the end of the TV, at the end of the camera. I am not a YouTuber. I'm the world piano man, and I've met all my audience in person in countries all around the world. I appreciate the one man at the back of the room. That's why our channel is growing so quickly. That's why this channel works. I will talk to everybody, and I'm not ignoring anyone who has a problem. I will answer everyone because everyone is a person behind the camera lens, not a subscriber or an access to a super chat. That's how YouTubers think. I am an entertainer and a broadcaster on YouTube TV. So that's why, for that very reason there, why I didn't and I won't block Bill unless he becomes offensive and aggressive. Tempting to sell Fisker, but have to have faith. Fisker, 40 cents. Keep the FSR faith. Bill needs guidance, I would say. Blocking doesn't help him. Exactly, Jonas. Blocking doesn't help him. Suddenly, the guy's on his own. No, we're not doing that. Prayers to you, Bill. Things will get better. There you go. I love it. Is Wrap going to 3? I dare say 230. Sweet dip. I'm speaking again to Wrap today. I think you need to move on from the issue, Bill. You need to have a day or two away, mate. Astra about 13%. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Lucas AIDS. Is this crazy world we live in? It ain't to make it anymore, especially fixed budgets. We all go through moments and have issues, but we are family here, and it's okay to be human. Exactly. But there's no need for rudeness on this channel. Correct, Buckaroonie. Bill, sending you energy. All right, I've got through all the questions. Fantastic. Very, very busy morning. Now, if you are watching the show right now and you are unable to get your comments because we are in members mode, there is an extra channel running at the same time in parallel. So you can leave your comments. If you want your comments seen by the world, you can. here is the extra channel running live right now. This is for people that are not members that want to leave their comments. It runs here at the same time. This is behind the scenes, and anyone can leave their comments. So if you are not, you want to get heard and you want someone to see your comments. All right. There's a nice comment there for Bill, by the way, on the extra channel. So go and check that out. Okay. Now then, we need to move on because we've got a lot to cover today. Lots of reviews to do as well. So here we go. A lot of time spent there with Bill this morning. Let's have a look where we are. 18,500. Oh, coming up to 19,000 soon. Should be 20,000 within about a week. Now then, I've got some very important stuff to do right now. We've got reviews to do. We've got a lot to cover. So where are we? Charge point earnings will be done if anyone super chats it for tonight. It's a member's perk. No one's done that yet. But Fisker, first of all. $121. Okay. Fisker, breaking news this morning. We are running a poll, an urgent poll. I'm making this in a video just an hour before the event. What event am I talking about? This here. We're running a poll on our X account now. Would you like me to broadcast the Fisker stockholders meeting? 78% of you have voted yes. It looks very, very popular. This is the event. The stockholder meeting is 10 a.m. Central Time. It's now 9 a.m. Central Time, and I'm making this promotional video during a live event. So if you would like to be part of it, then click the comment below. Click above my head and vote on the poll, but you kind of don't need to now because I'm doing it anyway. Go below in the description, you'll find the link. But over here, I will put the Fisker stockholder meeting. I am going to cover it live. You voted for it. We are doing it. It's in an hour from now from the making of this video. It's just before 9 a.m. So I'm going to put this video out shortly. And join me for a very urgent, I would say, Fisker stockholder meeting. We've got a lot of shorts going on right now, a lot more fake news going on, but we will cover this event live. Click above my head, down below, and over here you'll find the event. Join us for that important event at 10 a.m. Central, live on our channel. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Bill, I saw the request to make that recording, and I'll do that. I just haven't got round to it yet. Okay, Bill, I understand. Everything's fine. Tim Rogers, this channel is about making money and helping people to understand financial investments. I'm a very caring person. Bill needs professional therapy, and that helps a person. Yes, but he also needs people to talk to. So the success of our channel is because everyone does have a voice. I'm live, 10 hours a day? I'm sure I can spend some time talking to one of our founder members, as I do talk to you, Tim, and I appreciate all your information. But, we're all going to cover everything live and talk to everyone. We're never going to grow too big so that we don't, we miss people out.
Thank you for covering the FSR meeting.
You're very welcome. Let's Now then, Flux. We have this. I've got to end the show to put this out, by the way. Let me just wait for this to come up a second. Just waiting for a super chat to come up. Hiya, James, in the extra channel. This is the extra channel where everyone who's not even a member can leave a comment. It's open to everybody. It's a great extra channel behind the scenes. And when I go off air in a minute to do this video for FSR, this is where the show will continue. So I can then prepare the event. Just waiting for this. In fact, I'm going to move on. I haven't got time to do it. I've got to get this video out.
Let us all support Martyn for doing this.
You're welcome. My absolute pleasure. Flux. Some big news here as well. Flux Power, an exclusive special event happening on Friday. Friday, 10 a.m. Central. I have Ron, the CEO of Flux Power, live on my show. There he is, Ronald F. Dutt. He's going to be live on my show. You're going to love this one. We're going to be talking directly with the CEO Friday, 10 a.m. Central, because we're talking batteries. We're talking batteries that can talk over the internet, over Wi-Fi and cellular, so you can upgrade the battery, you can know the state of the battery. We love lithium batteries, this kind of technology. I think you're going to love this one. We're very, very privileged and proud to have Ron on our show. It's our next in the Meet the CEO series. You don't want to miss it. This could be a great stock to get into, and we're going to learn a lot about the company on Friday. Fantastic. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, and over here I'll post the event. You don't want to miss it. You can put your questions to Ron as well. So if you'd like to ask Ron a question, you'd like to be able to speak directly with the CEO of Flux Power, leave your comments below this video or on our X post as well. I will post this video and add a comment section below the video, and you can leave your comments there. So do it below the X post and below this video on YouTube, and you can ask directly all about Flux Power directly to Ron, the CEO of the company. I'm really excited about this one. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. Until Friday, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That's awesome. Isn't that great? Now then, folks, what we're going to do now is we're going to be back at 10 a.m. Central. We've got reviews to do today as well. Lots of things to do. We might be doing Charge Point after hours if we get a super chat for it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to end this stream. The stream will continue because you can I'll be here making this Fisker video, talking to you.
FSR, thanks for covering the meeting.
You're welcome. I'm going to stay live now, so I'm going to give everybody the behind the scenes extra channel. I'll still be able to talk to you. I'll still be here, still be live. There is the link. And I'm going to make the video for Fisker and promote it and put it out so the world is tuned in for the live event, okay? And you will be with me here. This is behind the scenes right now. This is what it looks like, and this is where you're going to be right now. So join me. I'm going to end this stream. You'll all go here, and then this stream, I'll give you the link back just before I start the meeting video, the live event, okay? So I'm going to end this so I can upload this video and promote it. We're going to all go here so we can chat behind the scenes. You can talk to me, be part of it. Please subscribe to the behind the scenes channel, because this is where when we have 2 earnings at the same time or 2 events at the same time. It's also a 24-hour chat, soon to go 360 as well. So there we go. Let me give you the automatic link so you don't have to click a link. This makes it even easier for you. So let me give you this link right now. Okay, this event where you are now will take you directly to that event, but I will give it to you anyway, just to make it extra easy. So here is the live event. All right, this is Prepare for Fisker. We'll call it that. Prepare for FSR live now. Okay, we can talk, we can chat, we can learn from each other, and all the rest of it. So here we go. Here's the link. Going to end this very quickly because I've got to get this video out. No problem, Ed. We'll do it again. There it is 3 times in the chat. In case you missed it, let me give it to my wonderful Rumble audience as well. You reviewed MSTR a while ago, but it needs an update. How do you value core biz versus BTC balance sheet? How do I value the core business versus BTC balance sheet? Rollo Tomasi, I'll have to look at that. I'm not sure. Give me some time. Please remind me if I've not done it in the time expected. All right? Okay, so here we go. That's what we're going to do now. We're going to send everybody there. Please do come and join us. I'm going to get the videos made and get them out as quickly as possible, and then be back early before the event starts. All right? So that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Now all join me for the 24-hour chat, and I'll see you back in a bit. Going to be a busy day today. Reviews, earnings, interviews, all coming up this week. Plus, we've got the Fisker event in under an hour. I'll see you back in a minute. As always, take care of yourselves and each other.